if every time your girlfriend they come see you, they cost you money, dump her. That girl not be your girlfriend. She's not in a relationship with you. She did in a business with you. Now why everything they involve money? If every time you want invite your girlfriend come your house now, you come to check your account balance to know whether you get enough money to pay package you get for the period of time when she go dey your house before you fit invite her come. Bro, that will not be relationship. Then when you check your account balance, you not come get money because it's not say babe not come again. You come dey wait till better money enter your hand before you fit invite her come your house. That's not a relationship. Do you know the danger of building a relationship with money? What of the days where you not go get? Because as a man, some days they will be say nothing they dey your hand.
They didn't like you.
Which means in the absence of money, your relationship will collapse. And you're not supposed to dey like that. You can't explain the give girl wey not get the reason why you not fit dey give her money. And sometimes I ask myself as a boy, say, boys not dey will be say I get money pass with the relationship. Ask yourself as a boy now. As you dey now, you get car, you get your own house. You get money when you dey earn money. But some boys they will not get all those things, but they still get girlfriend. So that's what you say. Relationship nothing relate to relationship and money. The only thing where relationship they offer na love. The only thing where relationship they offer na love. Relationship have nothing to do with money. Because women they date poor men, and no poor men will get 7 wives. Abi, why your own case different? If their presence in your life is costing you money, dump them. This is 2026. One boy reached out to me. He say he buy this type of phone, give a girlfriend. So now they get the disturbance, make it buy at this type. Now where SLT promise don't really come. So he got to tell us say money not dey. The girl called they stress this way, they give the boy attitude. I tell the boy say, dump that girl. Because no allow people pressure. Their presence in your life is supposed to give you peace, not pressure. This is 2026. If she not fit buy data, dump her. If she not fit pay her transport fare, dump her. Buy food for me, dump her. Buy me phone, dump her. Send me money to make her, dump her. If this girl not fit do all these things by herself, now sign say she never qualify to date a man. She's not qualified to date a man because the moment you dey add this person dey join your life, you are adding responsibility to your life. And you as a young boy when they come up, you need all those money when you want to package that girl for your own self. When they say go and make money, go and make money. I'm not saying go and make money so you will pack the money give woman. No, go and make money to take care of yourself. So that not be when maybe one girl now go they smile, they look me now. That same girl you go talk to the girl not go smile for you. Go they look and say, and you go say get jelly now why the girl they smile for her? No. Make money for yourself. So you go increase your value in a society because as a man, now money they increase your value in a society. Don't let anybody deceive you. The more money you have, the more value you have in a society. Don't let anybody deceive you. Money and man are the same thing. They don't separate man and money. And they talk about these things every day. Bro, these guys don't really need money like that. So now prick the needle. And the truth is that the reason why many of you they worship all these guys because you they fear. If I not do this thing for this girl, now what if she leave me? Now scarcity mindset be that. And as a man, you're not supposed to operate like that because when God creates this world, now only man God create. Man come this world, you not meet woman, but it's survival. But there's no time where woman come this world, be say not meet man. No. The first time where woman exists for her life, the first person where she seen a man. No. But man come this world, survive alone without the presence of a woman. So you feel do this thing by yourself. And at the same time, you find girl when they follow you, they struggle, you they suffer. And must somebody suffer with you? Can't you suffer alone? For the first thing, they find person who won't suffer with you. Now, aside you two, you never even reach. You're supposed to define woman. Go and focus on your life. The biggest asset you have as a man is time. And the thing where they pay me, many of them they waste this time with some kind of girls who be saying they get advantage over you. They born woman with value, but you as a man they born you with no value. Now you go use your hand to create your own value as a man. And that girl they follow, they move around so one boy wey they work on a life, dog guy finish, he go come and carry that girl from you, he go marry her. That small girl don't turn big man wife. Because say she marry big man, automatically she's a big woman. But you not get that advantage. No woman will go from no place like go carry this boy. He's so cute, go carry you, go marry you, go turn you to big man. No. It's very easy for man to turn girl to a big woman than for woman to turn boy to a big man. The biggest asset you have is time. Use your time well. Go use that focus on yourself. I know what year say they drive my GLE now. I can't stop one girl, I like the girl, and the girl can't smile for me. That same girl, you got to the girl, she can't squeeze for you. You can't say, and because I not get money, get GLE, and why the girl they run follow her. Not be money make her run follow me. Not be money because women they date poor men. Poor men get wife. They get 7 wives. So the only two way relationship they offer. Now love, sweet word. So if this guy is coming into your life, and it cost you something, That's not relationship. Now job that girl need. Go and look for a job for her. Relationship not they come with money. Relationship they come with love, romance, kissing, sweet word, good night messages, emotional support, communication, messages. I love you too. Tell me you love me, good night. Now which relationship they come with that? So if the guy is looking for relationship wey go come with money, now job she need. That's transactional relationship. So go and look for a job for her, employ her, let her work for you, then you pay her monthly salary. You fit do am. I fit employ you for my hotel if you no wan be my girlfriend. You work for me, I pay you monthly. So why should I pay you because you are my girlfriend? Why? Why? One girl, see, many of all these girls don't really get options the way many of them they think. Oh. Because they see the scarcity mindset women of them, you go see girl the way this girl hot fine, they not get boyfriend. Then they cry. One girl meet me, they cry, they rub your prick for my toto. I surprised. See, make a rubber. She dey tell me say for the past how many months, boy never even say boy breeze never even touch her before. So when she come see me, she dey beg me say I beg, I don't want me to date me, just rub your prick on top of my toto. This girl, before I look at this girl, grab me oh. She come dey rub my, she hold am, the thing never even stand oh. She come dey rub her for the toto. She dey rub am. She say, "Geh, even if you no enter inside, but you just take hammer the toto for me." Boy. Before I look at this girl, grab am small because as I dey surprised, the thing no go gree dey. My nuclear no go dey start because I no dey in the mood. If I look at this girl, they usually rub and the thing go dey stand small. Say, hammer for me. Me wey not get work. Bro, I focus on the toto. I begin to use the pretend in knack her. Boy. Say man no put the prick inside the toto. Say man use that till they rub. Say she just want feel out some of the toto. I can't use that till they rub it. I got the rubber small for the some of the toto. The rubber. I not get work again. As I hold them, and I got the thing. Boy. So, bro, that prick these guys they need to not be money. Now you they waste your money because poor man get wife. Oh. Boys when you get money pass, they get girlfriend. Now you they waste your own. Now you they waste your own money. The girl not ask you. Now you feel say now money if you build the relationship. And then you get what they talk. So bro, as you tell me say I'm ram, as I not see, me will not get job. As this guy give me to I focus once. I begin to use that thing they hit her. Boy. She confirm her once. So these guys they need prick more than money. But many of them don't understand all these things. Because at the end of the day, the same way you need all these things, women still need that more. Now you go see like I get now be say Konji almost finish now. Then you don't help this guy clear Konji. She can't see they expect money from you. Because he pay for the same thing both of them enjoy. It work like that. I'm not letting woman confuse you say it's the job of a man to provide. When God creates man, he already provide everything, but he still make man the head.
True.
So your leadership, your role as a leader in the life of a woman, not getting to do with provision. Because when they create Adam and Eve for the Garden of Eden, God don't provide everything for them, but Adam was still the head. So not let anybody tell you, say, for you to be my man, you need to provide. No. Go and provide. But when you shake the lion. The job of the male lion, the lion himself, na sleep, they sleep. The lioness, they go hunt. Then the job of the male lion, anytime he sight threat, how to do, ooh, as you do that, ooh. Now to let every other lion within that area say, I dare you or my wife there, another place, or not cross there. Now your job be that. Then when the lioness carry the animal come, as you eat finish now, the next thing again, as you just sight something again, ooh, as you do that, ooh, every other lion when they come, he run again. Now your job be that, not getting other job. The woman should bring provision, you eat. But when we talk about these things, God they be like, say, bro, you don't know your function as a man. As they leave Toto for me, bro, I focus on the Toto once, and my job be that. Now then they see me. Now for Toto matter they see me. I focus once, but I'm not getting another job.
Like and subscribe.